Hey guys, my name is Brent, aka BBagel Flows, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the vertical figure 8 into pinch transition. So, to show you, I'm going to start with a vertical backwards figure 8 with my dominant hand, and the key to this transition is to hold one side of the star during your figure 8. So if you can see here, I have one side of the star folded, and my index finger and thumb is loaded up and ready for a pinch whenever I want to transition. So fold the star like this and do a backwards vertical figure 8. And then once the star is at its highest point in the figure 8 here, you want to let go with your other 3 fingers on the side the star is folded on and use your index finger and thumb to activate a vertical pinch. So dominant hand, backwards figure 8. Once the star goes at the top, you start a pinch. So I'm going to show you this from the other side so you can see my hand folded on this side, using my whole hand to grip it and do the figure 8. And then once the star hits the highest point in my figure 8, I activate the vertical pinch. I'm holding the star in a pinch like this with my index finger and thumb. My thumb is kind of anchored at the knuckle of my index finger. I know people are probably used to catching vertical pinches with their index finger and thumb kind of pointed like this. For this pinch, you're going to want to pinch it kind of like this, like you're clicking a TV remote almost. So just to demonstrate this trick again, start with the backwards vertical 8 with my dominant hand. Hold it folded on one side of the star, load up the pinch. Once the star is at its highest point in the figure 8, you activate the pinch. Let me know if you guys have any comments or requests for more tutorials. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.